Everyone, recently I saw a shot by Stephan and I want to show it to you. So this is the shot that you can actually see.
Hey, so for anyone curious how much I make on YouTube with 3.5 million subscribers, here you go, I'll take you into my analytics. So in total we did 110 million views this year, and as you can see, the views every day ranges anywhere from about 200,000 on the low end, sometimes about 500,000 on the high end. That was a good day. Now, in terms of revenue, it really varies, but I found usually on the low end it's about $3,400. Sometimes on the high end, that was a great day there, almost $13,000. But for the most part, it ranges anywhere between $4,000 and $6,000 a day. So when you add all of that up, we come to $2,035,510.70 earned in 2021. And then if we go to the lifetime revenue, look at this is where it gets crazy. We got, drumroll, $5.4 million. If you guys want to see more like this and exactly how I'm able to do it, all you gotta do is click that little subscribe button before you forget. That's it. It's so easy. It's free. Hey, so for anyone curious,
You just saw that? Isn't that amazing, right? So how did he actually do all of it? And if you're someone who doesn't want to show your face, and I can't, I'm gonna be saying you that it might not be 5 million for you, but it can be much better than that, and we all have that opportunity. And I'm going to be sharing with you my own secret that I am using to get to that result, so that we can actually get into that result real quick and without showing our face, because we can actually automate all of it. And how we can do it, it's pretty simple. The thing that we need to do is that I'm going to be showing you an example channel. The channel name is the channel that is known as Einzelgänger. Okay, I might be right about the pronunciation and I might be wrong, so this is the name. You can go on to YouTube and you can actually do your own research about the channel. So this, you can see that this channel is having like 1.55 million subscribers, and they make videos pretty much like the same. So you can see how to build self-discipline, Breaking Bad, psychology of Walter White. You can see the life is great, and you can see how money makes you happy. So here is on, we are here right now, we are on Social Blade, and you can see this channel is from Netherlands, okay, and they have got like 1.5 million subscribers, and they are making somewhere around 20k according to Social Blade. But I can see you this, according to my assumptions, they are making much more than that. So they are making near about $40,000 to $50,000 every single month with the help of these tools and techniques. So how you can actually do it, it's pretty simple. Even if you know what are the tools that they can actually you can use, and I myself use, then you can get into that result also. So here is the example that is on to the last 30 days. They have got like 4.9 million, that's almost like 5 million views onto the last 30 days, and they have generated 50,000 subscribers onto the last 30 days. This is pretty amazing to be true, and they are generating an average of like 200, that is 150 to 200,000 views every single day, and that is pretty good. How you can actually do all of it, do you want to know? For example, right now we are using this idea that is known as minimalist philosophy. So we are using a software that is known as Writer. You can use it, given a link in the description. I know it's affiliate link, but hear me out. This is a website that I myself use, that's why I'm recommending it. It is not a sponsored post. I myself love it because it's AI based and it's an AI writer, so I save a lot of money, and you can too. So, and gives you result if you want to check the plagiarism or the plagiarism, whatever you want to say. So you can actually do all of it using Grammarly, but you do not have to worry much about those things. Now, whenever you get all of the results, you simply need to copy and paste all of it. Okay, so this is that simple. So you need to choose the language that you want to choose, select the tone that you want to choose, and after that you need to choose the use case, and here is all the options that you can choose from. So you get unlimited opportunities. Actually, you can choose the topics that interest you, and not just that also interest your audience, because sometimes what happens is that you might be interested in some specific interest into some specific topic, and guess what, your audience doesn't love it, but your audience loves something else, so you need to make it accordingly. So we chose the primary keyword, which is minimalistic philosophy, and we chose two variants. Now we are getting the first variant up here, the second variant up here. The creativity level is kept medium for us. Okay, so we have done it all everything is customizable for us, and right now we have done everything. So you can choose something just like this. For example, we chose this one. Okay, so where did it go? So we can choose this one. Okay, so this is the minimalistic philosophy. So all of this, I know all of this is you can say animated, so you can use it if you want to do the exact same thing like they have done the animated version of yours. Then you can use Beyond. You can do it, it's for completely free, so you can go on to the link in the description. I've given it because I prefer to use them. But if you are a beginner, don't worry about doing all of it. You can go on to pictory.ai, that I myself use it sometimes. So here is pictory.ai. you can use it, it's signed up completely free. Okay, so but this has also got a premium plan, and if you want to use the premium plan, I would say you must use it. Okay, so you can go up here, and if you want to use the premium plan, don't forget to use my link, because you're going to be indirectly supporting the channel and you do not need to pay extra. So this is you can say a win-win thing for both of us, for this channel, so that we can actually have something really awesome going on for you guys. Okay, enough of it. So right now you can see actually we have actually pasted all the script that we have made, and after that they have all done everything. We do not need to do anything. We pasted the script and we can see that they have divided everything into different scenes, and after that they have taken all the keywords or highlight words, and after that they have done. So we need to choose the type of things, and whenever we do all of it, we need to click on to preview, and they are going to be previewing everything for us. Now whenever we do all of that, you know what's going to be happening? We are going to be getting the result real quick, and here you can see this is the result that we have got. Isn't it amazing? We do not need to do any single thing. The video editing and all that we do not need to do, but if you want to enhance the video, you can actually download it, and then you can use a free software that is only DaVinci Resolve. I love that software. This is completely free, open source software. You can use that software, and after that, when you learn about that software, you can edit this video. Because what happens sometimes, people feel that oh my god, this video is okay, they have done my work, but I need something that is much more better. How can I actually enhance the quality? You can give it to some video editor, or you can do it yourself using DaVinci Resolve completely free. So now you might be asking me something, that dude, how you can actually choose a voiceover, because a voiceover is necessary. So the answer is you can do it yourself, or the second option, which is pretty amazing, is to use freelancers. Freelancers are a great opportunity for you, and if you do not have money, I am there for you, don't worry. Okay, so you can use something that is known as Clipchamp, and you can use Clipchamp, that is completely free for you. It is a part of Microsoft right now. So you can see that this is a video, you can see all your video needs one place. So you need to go on to features, and then you need to go down. You can choose text to speech. Isn't it amazing? You can actually copy the whole script that you have made, then paste it, and you are going to be getting what? You're going to be getting your video's voice. Now all of it done. Right now you need to again go on to Pictory, close it, and I'm going to be showing you something really exciting. Add voiceover, upload it. It's going to be auto syncing everything. Yes, this feature is absolutely available on Pictory AI, and you have to use it. Definitely try it out. You do not have to pay for the free features it is offering. Go on to the link in the description. You're going to be getting everything, and after that, whenever you make a video, you simply need to generate. And whenever you do it, if you want to edit it much more, you can use it DaVinci Resolve, or there are some you can see some premium plans, that is Filmora, Premiere Pro, and some Movavi. And if you want something that is another free, that is you can use OpenShot and other features, and you will be able to do it real easily. Now after doing all of it, what you need to do is pretty simple. You actually need to upload, and after that you need to do SEO and all that stuff. Whenever you do SEO and stuff, it is pretty amazing to be true. It is really amazing, because you have made so much great video. and whenever you made a great video, you simply need to upload, do SEO, and wait for your channel to grow. But here's the thing, do you need to wait for YPP, that is YouTube Partner Program, to make money? No, hell no, you do not have to wait. I have got something that is known as affiliate marketing. So you can do affiliate marketing, you can do CPM marketing, but I would say just do affiliate marketing because you're going to be getting recurring income. Isn't that amazing? So you can choose ClickBank, Digistore, or something that is really exciting. That is, for channel like this, you should definitely be using Audible, because people want to learn about all these things. They're interested in books, they will love to hear books, that is audiobooks. So you can actually do that. You can actually promote them, all the audiobooks. So this is a win-win situation for both of you, for the buyer, or you can say your listener, and for you, because you're going to be making money. They're going to be getting some golden content, and whenever they purchase, they're going to be upgrading. You're going to be getting recurring commissions. Isn't that amazing? Yes, indeed it is. And for what's going to be happening, do you know? You are going to be definitely going to be making money from the first day itself. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is for some people. You know, whenever I started this MarkOn channel, I did affiliate marketing, because you see, whenever you put in money, and whenever what happens is that you can keep the ball rolling, and the ball becomes it becomes a snowball effect, and it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, and we do not have to wait for YPP, because YPP is like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And whenever all these things, when you get the criteria, you know what's going to be happening. You're going to be making much more money from the day that you have started. But right now, all these things have been changing. Right now, the policies have came. So do you know what are the policies? I'm going to be making a different video if you want, and I'm going to be telling you what are the new policies that are being given by the people or the team of YouTube, and then you can use onto the potential. And don't forget to use shorts, because shorts are something that is becoming big. I myself use shorts for some channel, I told you earlier. Come on, right now, what are you waiting for? Basically, right now you need to do one simple thing, that is to subscribe, and after that you need to comment that what are your questions are, so that I can help you up with that. And after that, you'll be able to make awesome videos, create an impact. And that is the goal that we all have, to create an impact, so that we can actually deliver and over deliver sometimes to our audience that actually we want to serve. And whenever we do all of it, we get what we want. That is, our mission gets fulfilled, and that is the best thing that we all can deserve. That is, our purpose is being fulfilled. And what else do you want? I mean, this is the biggest thing that you can get. Okay, enough of all of it. Right now, that was all for today. See you again in another video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe. And if you want to share with your friends, you can definitely do it. But I don't know, I'm going to be sharing with your friends. I would definitely want you to share it with your friends who are, you think that you should be growing together, because that's what I love the most about humans. Okay, see you again on another video. Bye for now. Bye.